All right, what up? We're gonna do this in real time. This has a nasty curve. And this is like the worst shit to do by yourself, is coming around here. You don't have an extra set of hands to actually help you out. So, kind of just have to work this area in slowly but surely until you get to pretty much the edge. Alright. Worked out yesterday, I was getting real tired. Ooh. You lay it down. See how it bunches up right here? The worst in the world. So, what you gotta do is, so rinse it out of there. Pick it back up. Put it back. Heat it back up. Get those little wrinkles out of there. This is how I attack it. Go across and come down here. All right. Now we're gonna have to do that one again. This is like the behind the scenes of shit y'all don't know what we go through. All right. Alright, I'm gonna lock this in. Keep pulling it up and up. This is what I did to the other side. Lock that in. So we have the wrinkles are pretty much flowing in this direction. So you want to pull this back up a little bit to here. And then you kind of just pull at the angle. That way you're feeding the vinyl in the direction it's want to go. So. Heat it up real nice and evenly. Go ahead and lock that in. So now, watch how I do this. Pull down and angle it. This is a bit of a process, but kind of lock it in So now we have this. That's pretty much feeding it that way. So we're gonna take care of this. And then we're gonna pull this bad baby back up and take it back that way. Overstretch it, don't pull too hard. Just give it a little tug. Got these wrinkles here. You can get these out by doing that. A lot of people are scared of these, but I just figured out a technique. So you see these little wrinkles here? You can't squeegee those down. You squeegee them down, oh, they're gonna turn into something real nasty. Then you gotta peel the vinyl back up. So, everyone, you know, does shit. Every vinyl wrapper has their own technique of doing stuff. You just find what works for you. You know? So now you pull this up. You want to shrink back. You see that? Always allow the vinyl to shrink back. Because if you don't allow it to shrink back, you will be in trouble once you go to tuck it. So I allow the vinyl to shrink because it has memory. And if you didn't allow it to shrink, once you're driving around, it's on a hot day, that vinyl would turn into like these little fingers right here. And then you're out of luck. You gotta rewrap that whole area. So anytime you ever stretch an area, always go over it with heat. You see there's no tension. So there's no tension here now. So now, once I get my little tucking tool, I will feed the vinyl into this little creased area. But, all right, let's go on. So, we have this area which I hate the most, and we are looking really, really good. So, now we're going to pull the vinyl back up. Let all of this heat up and shrink. Got past the worst area. So now, I'm going to pick it back up, pull it back some, and do it again. Get it real hot. You see how it's all loose? Alright, gotta move quick. Damn it. We got wrinkles! Alright, let me attack this real quick. Let me get these little guys out of here. Alright. Dang, they fucking it up. This is a pain in the ass.
Don't judge me. I just wish you knew. That's just
All right.
I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you all the time. I need you. I want you.
Boom! Sorry for the quick commercial break. I got a little frustrated and had to restart all over and do a whole bunch of other shit. Anyways, I get a little frustrated when I'm doing crazy curves like this. So I went in the house, took a little break, came back out, got it together, and boom! As you can see, I time lapse draw, and it went by pretty quick. But yeah, we're getting it done. Let's get it. Let's finish it off.